I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have Amazon Prime wardrobe. If you are new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing and tap the bell so you'll get a notification every time I make a video. My videos are all about women's clothing, so if you enjoy that, you're in the right place. Please come back and watch a future video. I haven't had an Amazon Prime box in a little while, and I ordered one because I am in need of some boots, and I ordered some boots I think might be kind of fun. I also got something in here that I'm really unsure about. I've never purchased underwear through Amazon, but this time I have. I've ordered a bra. So if you want to hear about that bra, stick around. Let's get into this box. Amazon Prime Wardrobe is a service offered to all Amazon Prime members. And what you do is you just go shopping and you put items that you would like to try before you buy in your cart. And once you have 3 to 8 items, you can say, send me my box, and they will send all of the items. Your cart is not charged until you decide what you want to purchase, and you have 7 days to decide what you want to keep. So there is no stylist here. I am the stylist. I am the one that has picked out all of these items, and sometimes I do pretty good and sometimes I don't. I highly recommend, if you try Amazon Prime Wardrobe for clothing, that you read the reviews on the clothing. Shipping is free with this box. Anything that I don't want to keep, I will return in this same box. And this box looks like one that has seen better days. This box is falling apart. I suspect it has been sent to other people. Everything comes wrapped in plastic, so I am going to unwrap this and try it on, and we will talk about everything. The first thing I want to talk about is this bra that I tried. Look at this bra. This is a posture bra. The reason I ordered this bra is because in the description it said that this bra will help with back problems. And in my recent move, I ended up with a very sore back. So when I read the description on this bra, I said, I need to try that, and I put it in my Prime wardrobe cart. This bra is by Exquisite Form, and the name of it is the Fully Women's Original Long Line Lace Posture Bra in black. It's $24.19. You're not going to see me model this, but I did wear it for the entire try-on. And this is what I have to say about this bra. The first thing about it is the price is great, but there are 15 hook and eye closures to get into this baby. So it takes a while just to get into it. There are some stays. This is almost like shapewear. I mean, it really holds you in, but these stays that are built into the garment are very uncomfortable. I think that this garment might be great if you want to wear it for a special occasion to smooth you out and keep your posture great for a special occasion. But I was truly looking for something to help with back problems on an everyday basis, and this is too much for me. I did feel like this bra kind of had shaping magical powers. It kind of cinched in my waist, but the problem was all that cinching there just kind of pushed all the fat in my midsection down and made for an extra big muffin top, a spare tire look, which I am definitely not going for. I am sending this bra back. I'm glad I got to try it. I've never tried any type of specialty bras for posture or back pain. I'm happy to report my back is actually feeling much better just with some time. This garment is too restrictive for me. I do think that it enhanced my figure, but I wouldn't reach for this on a regular basis, not at all. Next piece I ordered was from Amazon Essentials. So this is an Amazon brand, and this is a Crewneck sweater, and this is $20. I was drawn to this because of the colors. I love the primary colors, and I really like that there's just one red stripe. I think that makes it very unique. This is a nice sweater. 65% cotton. It's 25% modal. There's some spandex in it, some rayon in it. $20. Now this comes in a variety of colors as well. I'm going to link all of the products I try below, so if you want to see them or order one for yourself, everything is down there for your convenience. But I like this. I will be keeping this. The price is right. For a nice lightweight sweater, $20, yeah, I'm all in for that one. The jeans I tried are from J. Crew Mercantile, and these are in a midnight wash, which ought to be black. I don't know if I expected black jeans or just a really dark rinse, but these are a very clean jean, clean hemline, 5-pocket, lots of stretch in them. That makes them very nice. They are a lint magnet too. And just in a short time I've been wearing them and looking at them, they're collecting all sorts of lint. So these are really nice. I ordered these because they are only $48.50, and I did a J. Crew haul recently. I wasn't able to find jeans that inexpensive, so I really like the J. Crew brand. I like the fit. Now, I'm not going to keep because I really don't need another pair of black jeans. I was hoping for a super dark wash. I thought that the midnight wash was going to be a super dark blue wash. So I've been shopping for a winter coat and I picked up this one. This one is by Yoki, and this is the women's faux fur lined puffer jacket in red. This is $96, and look at that lining. This is the softest lining with that leopard print, the faux print, and I think it looks so beautiful with red. Now this is a really nice thick jacket. I love the sleeves because we do have the tight ribbed cuff there and the regular jacket on the outside, so your wrists will stay warm. This is just fabulous. It does have a cinched waist. That's an elastic waistband. There's working pockets everywhere you look, and patch pockets in the front, which aren't my favorite, but I mean, they're functional. That works. They do have the snap closure and a zip, and the hood can be removed. $96 for this fabulous jacket. And it's in my favorite color, and it has faux fur. I mean, I'm in love. I am in love with this jacket. Next up are the booties I was talking about. The first pair that I tried are by Kenneth Cole, and these are the Salt Chelsea in a pewter. I did want metallic color. There's an awful lot of black elastic here. Now these are a pull-on bootie. There's no other way to get them on. They are easy enough to get on, and the leather is pretty soft. It's a low heel, so I appreciate that. And I mean, you know, I like these. I was hoping to be wowed by them. I think that they're very versatile and can be worn all winter long. I just don't know about this big black elastic. Let me know what you think about these. $109 for this pair. Next up is a sweatshirt by Democracy. They call this the twofer. The cost on this is $61. The reason I ordered this is I like this neck. This garment gives the appearance that you have a long sleeve t-shirt underneath a sweater. This is sweater-like fabric. This is not sweatshirt. I think it's pretty cool and funky. I didn't even know I was going to get these brooches. They are removable. I think they're kind of cool and funky though. I'd probably wear that, but I like the neckline. I love the neckline. I like the way this garment moves. Now, we also have this back, and the back is opened with some ribbons on it. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest with you. The top came with the ribbons untied, and as I was tying the ribbons, I noticed there's a lot of loose strings back there, and oh, I like the front of this a whole lot. And truth is, I would never see the back, but other people will. What do you think about this one? This one's $61. And I think it's cool. I think it's funky. I think it wears really well. I don't know. Should I get it? Next pair of booties are by Steve Madden. And I got these because of the color, this cognac color and that detail. Isn't it beautiful? Now I sized up a half size in these, and they still, it was a perfect fit. So I think I might need to size up an entire size to be able to wear a thick sock with it, because I will be wearing thick socks through the winter time in the cold weather. But I kind of like these. They're very simple, but that is a nice subtle detail. These also have a zip on the side to get into, so that makes them very easy to wear. I love the color. That's what made me order these and try them. So other than that, I think they're pretty simple boots. Yeah, I like the cognac color. That's very trendy right now. And these are $159, so that's pretty pricey. I don't know, should I hold out for a better pair or think I should keep these? The final piece that I ordered is this cognac suede trench coat. This is by Jessica Simpson, and this is the softest jacket. It is very lightweight, but it is warm, and that's because it's suede. It is a real suede, and I think that it would keep me pretty warm. Am I kidding myself? I really want this jacket. There's so much to love about this jacket. I love the great big buttons. I think that looks very vintage-like, and the big collar. We have the detail around the cuffs. There's a soft waist belt around this, which is so nice because you can wear this jacket cinched up, tied at the waist. You can tie it behind the waist if you want to wear it open or if you don't want to fiddle with the belt. And this jacket looks super unbuttoned as well as buttoned. This jacket is only $92.08, and I think this is a phenomenal trench. And this cognac color, again, very trendy. This is, I think, the color of the season, and this feels amazing. I mean, and I love textures. I'm really into the way that garments feel, so I think this is a keeper for sure. Probably my favorite thing in the box, and I am so happy I got this one. What do you think about the fit on this one? I ordered this one in a size large, and actually I ordered both jackets in a size large because I do like my winter jackets to have a little room to move and to wear big bulky sweaters underneath, and I think that both of them will work fine. So my favorite things in this box are both jackets. The big red puffer coat with that faux fur lining. Oh, isn't it great? And this one I love too. Everything in this box I like. I am getting better and better at using Prime Wardrobe because I have learned that patience is key when filling your box. I have 7 days to think about what I want to keep and what I want to send back, and shipping is free, yay. I'll just drop this off at the UPS store. I know I don't want that bra. I'm going to send that back in that great big box. I don't know if that bra is going in the big box all by itself or if I'll send back some of the other things. Let me know what you think about the items I received. Is there anything in there that you would keep? Could you give this video a thumbs up? It really helps me out. I appreciate it so much. Please come back, visit me for a future video, and until next time, blessings to all of you.